What's going on? It's your boy Richard here. Um, Making another video on my Nadex trading. As you can see, um, I'm in the US 500 and it's today at 4:15. Right now, it's 4:10 Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, so the price I got in, I'm making $25 per contract. I got 3 minutes, 55 seconds left. I bought two contracts or two positions on this. So I'm making $25 on each position that I bought. So total trade payout $50. Not bad. So total the amount of money I spent on a trade is $150. So I'm risking $150 to make uh $50, which is a lot of people don't like those type of uh odds, but you know what? I win most of my trades doing trades like this, in the money trades. That means you're winning a trade once you jump in a trade. So right now you can see the indicative price or the market price. It's sitting at 25.76. I got it at it'll stay below 25.84. So as you can see right now, you can't even get that price right now. It's not even available. The only way you can get it is 25.78, and that's because um, you have to really enter these trades to get those type of prices. If before the end of the day, you have to jump in the trade, but like maybe an hour before before the trade closed. So I jumped in the trade like an hour before, or a little bit more than an hour before the trade closed. I got in the trade, set my own prices or whatever, and and that's how it was. So basically, I was able to jump in the trade, and now it's going to be an easy win for me. So, and that's what you really want to do when you're trading with Nadex and you're trading binary options, and particularly Nadex, because normal binary options, overseas brokers, they act different, like FinRally and Binary Mate. They're kind of different, but when you're using Nadex in particular, you could jump in trades that's very beneficial for yourself, even though you have a high risk, how much money you're risking on it, but you have a high chance in actually winning your trades. And that's what you really want, because if you're able to do, say, these same two trades I'm making right now, so as you can see, this account was sitting at $220 basically before the I entered the trade. So $220. So 50% is $110. That's 50% of the account. So if I'm able to do two trades a week and make $50 every trade, or because of the fees, $48 per trade, times that by two, that's $96 plus another $48. Look at that. Well, basically 48 times 2. So $96, that's 2 weeks, plus another 48 for another week. So that's 3 weeks. 3 weeks of trading, I'm over 50% in my trading. So you could grow your account for over 50% every month just doing two trades a week. That's it. As long as you win every trade. Not everybody gonna win every trade. So and for the people that's on my wealth generator team, we won most of our trades, but we have lost one trade. We did, since we've been calling trades for about 5 weeks now. So we lost one trade in a 5 week period. So um, you gotta just be careful on trades, or the trade that we actually lost. If you stayed in the trade, you would have lost. But if you would have earlier in the trade, we was winning the trade. So you could have pulled your trade out and you could have won a trade. So while the other people that stayed in trade, they would have lost the trade. But the people who pulled out early, they would have won the trade. So stayed in the trade, you lost. You pulled out early, you would have won on that one trade. So that would have been, I mean, every trade that we was in won. So, but yeah, so basically, just waiting for this to end now because, as you can see, the trade has ended. So that means we won that trade because you can see market price is basically 9 pips below market price. Um, so there you are. So that trade's won. When most people they're doing these trades, they could do that. And then let's see what happened if let's say I go to my favorite website. This is I always use this website when it comes to basically trying to see how a compound would look if I compounded my account. So say a person want to start out with $220. That's what I had in here. So if you make 50% on your account for 6 months of trading, think of that. In 6 months of trading, you'll build your account to $2,500. Just doing 50%. 12 months, $28,000. 18 months, there you go. $325,000 in 18 months, as long as you can do 50% every month. That's all it takes. Now, in that time period, say you get to here, 13 month number 13, you had $42,000. Or month number 14, you had $64,000. If you actually just say, okay, I'm at $64,000, I don't need to be pushing my account that hard. I'll just go ahead and do instead of 50% a month, 25% a month. I'm at $64,000. If you do 25% a month, you still make $16,000 on your account. You're just doing 25% a month. Can you imagine that? Just doing 25% a month, you're still making $16,000. So you build your account for 14 months. Don't never take out no money. Just let it build 14 months and then you reach that amount. Now we're gonna check and see on how well I'm gonna build my account and do the same exact thing. So this is gonna be something that's very long term. A year from now, it's just gonna be 12 months. So I'm not even gonna be at the point. It's gonna be like this point right here when you're looking at my account. So we're gonna see how well we build this account, and you should be doing the same thing when it comes to doing your trade. So see, there you go. $266. This account was sitting at $220, so $46.65. There you are. So, but anyway, that's all I want to show you guys. All I gotta say, just keep on practicing, and let's all keep making money. All right, peace.